Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Acer Extensa 15 EX21555. To remove the bottom plate, undo the 10 Phillips head screws that hold it in place. Pop the areas behind the hinges and the top edges with a thin plastic tool. Then, fully pry the back and work your way around the sides and the front. Keep in mind that the front clips are very stiff, and with zero gaps between the plate and chassis, prying this side requires care and patience. The device in front of us has the optional 55-watt-hour battery. The default version is a 40-watt-hour variant. To take it out, detach the connector from the motherboard by pulling it towards the battery and undo the 2 Phillips head screws that keep the unit in place. The capacity is enough for around 7 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu. According to Acer, the two SODIMMs fit up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4, 3200 MHz memory in dual-channel mode. However, since the CPU can support up to 64 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. For storage, there is a pair of two M.2 slots, one for Gen 4 and one for Gen 3 SSDs. The two standoffs below the storage drives prevent possible SSD bends, which is a nice touch. The upgradable Wi-Fi 5 card is positioned below the fan. The SATA slot for regular HDDs or SSDs is on the left of the cooling. The thermal system comprises one fan, a heat pipe, one heat sink, and a heat spreader.